getting ready to put one of these guys on. This is an aftermarket casement crank, you know, so like I was saying in the last video, these are perfect for when you're feeling cranky. Huh. The operator out too. This is the operator here. See, it's got these gears in here, and this guy fits in like so, and you can turn it and it cranks out like that. So there you go. Okay, so look, this guy goes somewhere right here, right? Okay, so this goes up against here, but where does it go? That's a good question. I'm going to open it up all the way. Okay. So it goes a little bit past 90 degrees. Okay, so I'll put it out here. Okay, and see kind of where that lands. That's not bad right there, I don't think. So they just got the little wheel on there. Guess it goes in here like so. Now put this there. Look at that. Okay. So that's about, you know, where that thing should go. See that? Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple of marks orienting it. Here we go. Now, these aren't the best that has ever been made, but really this is the what's available right now. I guess the other ones just aren't being manufactured anymore, so it's too bad because it's really good hardware, that old stuff. All right, so I got this here, put that there. I'm gonna get out my trusty Vicks bit. Okay, and that there like that, and screw right there. I'm just going to use that screw as an anchor. Put my other ones in. Well, there you go. All right, so I'm only going to put one screw in, okay? In case I'm wrong, because I'm gonna put this guy on, but you know what I'm saying? So, and then guess what? We'll have to work together. You'll have to go inside and work the crank for me, and then we'll have to see how it works, because I can't be on both sides at once. See, he's got this other one here, also made by Cobalt. It's got a regular drill bit on it. Okay, I'm gonna drill that right here. There it is. This bar will scrape against this too if you get this in the wrong position. So there's like a sweet spot you got to find, and it's not entirely obvious where that sweet spot is. There we go. Okay. So this is it's this thing here that nobody really knows about. Okay. And see this thing here? What the heck is this? It doesn't look like much, right? But it is. It's got this springy thing. See that?
Yeah.
Okay. And what the springy thing does, you know, it fits up here like that, and there's this, what do you call this, like a lamb's hook or something like that, you know? I mean, this guy here, this attaches to the sash, and it grabs onto this and it sucks it in. See that? Okay. See? Boom. Everyone like that? See how it's got that little brad on there? See this little brad, you have to stick that brad out so that this is what marks the hole placement on the sash where the lamb's hook goes, you know? So this guy is going to go right there, and Huh. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark it with, thanks Kenny, you got good reflexes, with my screw. There you go. That's good right there. Excellent. Okay. So we got that there. I'm just gonna use this as a locator. There you go. I'm gonna mark my other screw. All right, and I'm pre-drilling my hole so I don't split that stop. See that? I don't want to split the stop. Split. S-P-L-I-T. What does S-P-L-I-T mean? Split. There we go. Okay. So, I have a lot of room here. See, I had this fit this guy a minute ago. There's my screw. Okay. No, backwards. So. Perfect. So nice. All right. So now I've got this locator point right there. You see that? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, well, I can't shut it. Kenny, can you shut the casement, and when you get all the way close, I'll press on that point and it'll mark the sash, and then it'll show me where to drill.
Nice.
All right. Ready? You mark it?
Yep.
Little bitty mark right there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's where it is. Okay. So I've already got my drill out. Boom. Okay. Then I'm going to get teeny screw number 1, and that goes here. Okay, so that goes there. Okay, now I can get my second screw in. Excellent. Love it. And you got this guy. Okay, so now what we do, let's open up this little lamb's hook thing right here. Oh, I'm gonna take the metal thing out. Okay, now Kenny's going to close it with his crank handle. He can handle being cranky. Ha, ha. All right, let's see if it works. Does it work? All right, now open it back up. Boom. There you go. Now close it again. Just because it's fun. Excellent. Yeah, this is fun. Yeah, we're testing a couple times, make sure everything's good. Now, does it pull it all the way closed against the stop? All right. Oh, I love it. Ta-da! Isn't that cool?
Very.
So, thanks, Kenny.